Hi! In this video I will explain how you can create Performance Max campaigns while automatically segmenting products based on performance. I'm going to explain this by giving an example. And in this example we're going to use the campaign approach focusing on getting a higher profitability by catching the villains. And in this campaign approach you have two campaigns. The first campaign consists of the heroes, sidekicks and zombies, and the second campaign consists of the villains. So let's say you already have one Performance Max campaign running, and this campaign is advertising with all products. In the approach we're not going to use all products, so we're going to build this existing campaign into the first campaign containing the heroes, the sidekicks and the zombies. So what you have to do is go to the campaign, go to asset groups and go to the listing group of that asset group. And then click on the plus button next to all products. Select the custom label on which you put the Producthero labels and click on villains. Click on save and the villains are now included in the listing group. However, we want to exclude the villains from your listing group, so click on the green dot and click on exclude. Done. Now you have created a campaign for the heroes, sidekicks and zombies, so everything except the villains. Now we're going to create the second campaign. This is the villains campaign, and let's say you don't have a campaign for that yet. So we're going to create a Performance Max campaign from scratch. You have to go to create campaign, select sales as campaign objective, select purchases as conversion goal and set your campaign to Performance Max. Select your Merchant Center account and the country where you sell your products and enter the campaign name of your campaign. Click Continue. Next up is bidding. Select conversion value as the metric to focus on. Also, select the checkbox Set a target return on ad spend and enter your target amount. We recommend setting the same ROAS goal for all campaigns that use the Producthero labels. Not doing this might result in poor performance. It's up to you whether you want to optimize your campaign for acquiring new customers. Let's move on to campaign settings. In this example, we only want to target the Netherlands with the Dutch language. Keep automatically created assets turned off, and by doing that, final URL expansion is turned off as well. Doing this is a best practice. Click on Next. Now we are going to create our asset group. This is going to be the villains campaign, so let's call our asset group villains. With listing group, we can make sure only the villain products are included in this campaign. Click on the pencil next to all products. Click on Use a selection of all products. Select the custom label on which you set the Producthero labels. If you forgot on which custom label you set it, go to Advertising in the Producthero platform and click on Feed Settings, and you'll find the selected custom label. We recommend that you don't add any assets, because by doing this, your campaign will act like a smart shopping campaign. So we're just going to scroll down, add an audience signal if you want, and click on Next. You can use our daily budget advice when setting your budget, but don't forget to use your own insights to determine whether you need to allocate more or less budget to each campaign. As a final check, have a look at the summary and then publish your campaign. Now we have created two campaigns. One campaign for the heroes, sidekicks and zombies, and this campaign already existed. And one entire new campaign only for the villains. And for these campaigns we have some best practices. The first one is to set the same target ROAS for both these campaigns. As I said before, not doing this might result in poor performance. The second best practice is to make sure your budget is set correct. You can use our budget advice in the Producthero platform. The third recommendation is to not have assets included in the campaign. The fourth best practice is to turn off automatically create assets, and by doing that you'll also turn off final URL expansion. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel for tips and tricks for your shopping ads.